Podcast title: The Consciousness of Breath, Being, Emotion, and the Order of Life. You know, it often feels strange when you first see people practicing breathing exercises. Inhale through your mouth, exhale through your nose. Count to 4 as you breathe in. Hold for another 4, and then slowly exhale to the count of 6. 12 years ago, when I first saw people doing this, I too found it rather odd. But that night, curiosity got the better of me. I reflected for a while, did a little research online, and what I discovered was fascinating. Our breath, it turns out, changes with our moods. When we're happy, our breathing has one rhythm. When we're sad, it shifts to another. When we're angry, the breath becomes sharp and uneven. When we're calm, it slows and deepens. Take a moment. If you're under stress right now, notice how your breath feels. You'll probably realize you're not breathing quite normally. By the end of that night, I was amazed at how simple and profound this realization was. Something we live with every second, but rarely notice. Later, I learned that one of the most powerful practices is simply to observe your breath. Watch its rhythm. See how it changes with your emotions and moods. Remember how you breathe when you're joyful, when you're calm, and when you're tense. After a few days of paying attention, I discovered something even more extraordinary. If you consciously breathe as you do when you're calm, even while you're under pressure, your body actually begins to calm down. You can move yourself from tension to tranquility just by altering your breath. The key is awareness. Knowing how you breathe in each emotional state. By tuning your breathing rhythm to the emotion you want to feel, you can shift your mood. You can